Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Rice. I am one of the technology teachers here at the high school, and we teach a number of classes. One of them being up in the computer lab called DDP, and in there we work through sketching and technical drawing and into CAD. Just kind of a brief intro to CAD in there. Mr. Doherty is going to talk to you about Tech 2 because he teaches that as well, and we do teach the same thing. Now down in the shop, we have a class called Materials Processing where we work through safety, machining of wood, metal, and plastic, as well as have a lot of independent work time on different projects in the different mediums. There's another class called Tech 1. In this class, we were focused on the complete project from start to finish, starting with design, brainstorming, collaboration with the classmates, hopefully, and then they go through and they process it, build it, and then analyze their completed project and see how they did and what improvements they can make. And then also this year we have wood and metal, which is the advanced materials class, where they work on advanced skill building, utilizing of all the machines in the shop, and they have a deeper knowledge of materials. The emphasis here is learning new technique and new skills. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out to me through email. That'd be great. Thanks.
Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Doherty. Everybody just calls me Mr. D. And here at the high school I teach both science and technology courses. This year for technology I'm teaching both Tech 2 and computer-aided design. In Tech 2, which is an 8th grade course, we do an introduction to different technical areas such as sketching, multi-view drawing, technical drawing, computer programming and such. And in CAD, we're going to be doing 3D modeling using a parametric software called Onshape. So that's what we'll be doing for the year. If you need to contact me, you may do so through Schoology or through email at sdoherty@nvcs.steer.org. Thank you.